Back at you again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Back at you again. We're about to run the speedometer wire and the fuel wires and the adapter, which is this one right here, this big silver one right there for the speedometer, Dakota digital. Alrighty, this is the one that goes for the speedometer. That's why we switched over, so we can plug up the Dakota digital. So it screws in like this, and then it just locks in like that. Alrighty, got it plugged in, and then the only thing you do is just plug this wire in. Just leave the tabs like that and just plug it in. All right. Got that sunlight beaming. That's a better view. Yeah, better view. All right, you got your red and black, your hot, your ground. This is gonna go to the fuel tank. The black is the ground, the beige is the red. All right, that long wire right there is for the fuel pump. Ran all the way to the back. The red and the black wire. Alrighty, now we're hooking up the oil pressure. We're basically running the lines today because I want them to all run together and get out the way of the exhaust. So far we got the speedometer, the fuel, now we're doing the oil pressure. Alright, that's the adapter. Come with the kit. Here's the oil pressure switch. Screws in like that. Alright, now we got the plug, electrical wire. It's going to run from the oil pressure switch to the computer box of the Dakota digital. Plug it in. Oh yes, I heard it. All right, next we're gonna do the cooling temperature. We got to change the outlet because we got to run the temperature switch sensor on the water outlet. We don't want it by the headers because it get too hot. That's perfect to be by the thermostat. So we're going to switch and use that one. There's the adapter on there and the cooling sensor. There's the wire, the gasket, and a little bit of silicone. Alrighty, we got the outlet on. Now we're about to install temperature sensor. Alright, I got it connected. Now I'm about to connect my wire. There it is. Alrighty, there it is. Got all our wires connected. Next, gonna be running them into the loom. Everything is going to the loom. Them wires going to the loom. Those wires going into the loom. The wires down there going into the loom. All these wires going into the loom. These wires going into the loom. Make it nice and neat. All the wires going into the loom.